So hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, of course I am from a village area where there is no opportunity, there is no any institute, any teacher who can guide you, who can teach you how to become fluent in English. Even I haven't found any boy speaking in English in my village except me. Though if I tell you my qualification, so you may get shocked hearing my qualification, that how come you can speak in English even though your qualification is not good. So guys, yes, it is true that my qualification is nothing. I didn't get time to study, I didn't go to school, and you must be thinking that how come without going to school you are speaking English fluently. So guys, it's a language, don't relate it to any grammar and any subject. I am able to speak because I practice every day, I speak every day. Instead of writing, instead of reading, and you must have watched so many videos where people are telling you that in order to become fluent English you must go through reading, writing, listening and so many things. But I think okay, if you have time you can do so. Otherwise you can find your interest. Suppose your interest is reading book, so guys you can learn English by reading. Suppose your interest is watching movies, so you can learn English by watching movies. May you not believe, but yes, I am going to tell you it's true that I have never ever wrote even a single word. I never ever read any book. Still I don't have any kind of book, don't have any kind of pen. I didn't buy because as I told you that I was not a student. Yeah, but I had a dream, I had passion, I had patience, I had hope. That is why I did so. Most of you are impatient. You want to learn English within 1 month, 2 months, because when you come to learn English, that time you are totally full of beans. You start thinking that okay, I will also start speaking in English no matter what. And when 1 month or 2 months pass, you start thinking that okay, I think I didn't improve and it's useless for me, and you just give your hope. You just give up your hope. But no, guys, if I talk about myself, I also gave up. Yes, of course I gave up maybe 2 or 3 times, because I thought, yeah, I can't become fluent English because I live in village area, and how can I become fluent English? Because I gave up that time because I didn't have any kind of facilities to learn except one grammar book. So how can you become fluent English with the help of one grammar book, and that too when you don't know what is written? And on top of that you have lots of work in village. Hardly you get like half an hour or 1 hour to work for you to practice in English. And also you have one fear that what would people say. you feel shy and you have fear, so you just think that okay, let it be, I'm not going to speak in English. So yeah, it happens. It is no wonder that you feel shy, you have fear. Yeah, everyone has this kind of fear and shyness, but you have to get over it. You have to overpower your fear and shyness, otherwise they can overpower you, and once they get overpower you, so yes, you can think you are not going to do anything for you. You will just regret that I didn't get chance and I didn't have such kind of thing, that is why I couldn't do. So you can curse yourself all the time. So instead of crying, why shouldn't you try? So it's better to try instead of crying. So just listen to your heart, your mind. Like okay, literally you want to learn English, literally you want to speak it. And first thing first, don't compare yourself with anyone. If you compare yourself at the beginning that okay, that boy can speak English but I can't, how come? And you feel demotivated seeing others, that what is going on, like with me, it has been 5 months, 6 months, I have been speaking in English, I have been trying to become fluent in English, but I can't speak, other can speak. So let it be, let other people speak. You do you, they are doing, and they are doing their work, you are doing your work, and they are doing their work. So we should not compare, we should never compare. Suppose your neighbor has a car and you don't have car, so you should not compare that okay, how come he has a car, I will also buy a car. So you can dream, but you have to think about you, you have to think about your life, because everyone has different life, different mindset. So this is, so guys, overall I would like to say here that if you have any dream, so don't give up, keep walking towards your dream. Some or other day you will definitely achieve your dream. What would have happened if I had left, if I had give up learning in English? I would not be speaking in English here in front of you guys confidently and fluently. But I kept walking. I didn't care about anyone. I thought, okay, let it be. Let the people laugh. Let the people do what they are doing and what they are thinking. I am doing my job, they are doing their job. So guys, this is a life. Nobody cares about you, whether you are doing hard work for you or whether you are sitting idle. People are here to only make fun of you. People are not going to help you. It's a bitter truth. I don't know whether you believe me or not, but it's a fact. So when you cut your finger, so you have to tolerate your pain. No one can take your half of the pain, no matter whether he is your best friend, no matter whether he is your villager, relative, and who. You have to tolerate your pain. So guys, this is all about this video. I want you to keep going. if I sometimes I think that if I can do being a villager and without any qualification, so why can't you do? Because earlier I did so without any facilities. Nowadays you have multiple like facilities. All the things are in your hand, so just play upon those things, just take advantage of those things, guys. So you can learn English by yourself, it's a piece of cake. But yes, keep in your mind, keep patient, and trust you, definitely you will win. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked the video, please comment me. I will definitely guide you, motivate you, and I will support you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.